We're gonna make a quick slaw to go with our tacos. So I just got a bell pepper here. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of this pepper. And just gonna pull out these seeds real quick. And then I'm going to cut it up into some matchsticks. Just bunch them all together and give them a cut. I want these minced up pretty good. So I've got a bowl here. Got my bowl here. And I just have some prepared slaw here. It's a mango jicama slaw. And I'm gonna add some of this in. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the cabbage. It's got some sliced mango in there as well. And then I'm gonna take some fresh cilantro. So we'll get some of that on our board. We've got some fresh cilantro here. Just want to get any of those super big stems out. Bunch that all up together. We'll go ahead and give that a chop. Add that to my bowl. And then I just have a little bit of lime here. I'm going to add a little lime juice to this. A little salt. And a little pepper. And then we'll just go ahead and give this a little toss. So there we have a nice slaw that we can add to our tacos.